it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 3 of our sneak peeks. Our release day is tomorrow, May 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So we have a fabulous theme. We have lavender and honey. Such cute designs. Come check it out tomorrow. We'll have the papers and the ephemeras available for purchase individually, so you'll be able to get your hands on that. Unfortunately, the box of the month and the junior box of the month is completely full, the club. I don't have any left to sell, so we are just completely full on that club. So I'll have a wait list in the description box if you want to put your name on that wait list. I will be filling spots through the wait list. But I want to show you the paper pad club of the month and the stamp and die of the club of the month. Those will be available for purchase on May 1st. Great clubs. You'll get your dose of lavender and honey right in these two clubs here. We've got lavender and honey products all month long for May. So when you subscribe, you get 18% off, or you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. Let's take a closer look at the stamp and die of the month. So for your die, it comes on a magnetic sheet, so you can easily store it away. I add the magnetic sheet for our stamp and die of the month club members. Just a nice way to store them. And then we have this really cute stamp set called Queen Bee. It goes great with your paper pad club, so if you get both of these subscriptions, I usually like to coordinate them together. We have many subscribers that do both, so that's why I like to do a little bit of coordination there so you can use it all together. We've got sentiments just because, happy, oh honey, queen bee. And then you've got this bee hut. I forgot what this is called. This is where all the bees are making the honey for the beekeepers. We've got a honey pot. We've got a little beehive hanging down from a branch, your honey stick. We've got a little couple of flowers. There's a solid flower. We've got that beehive pattern and then a solid, so you could kind of add on to that or color the inside of that. Do some fun techniques with that. There's a cool little trail for your bees. It's got a little heart shape. Really cute. And then there's these small little cute little daisy flowers. It's a really, really cute set. And then for the paper pad club, we've got Be My Honey Bee. And then there's an option to add the coordinating ephemera. So this is really cute. I'll show you the ephemera and lay it all out for you. And then the other paper pad is called Lavender Dreams. And this paper pad, you get a cutout sheet. So you get 4 sheets of that so you can make your own ephemera. And the card that I did using the cutouts is this one here. Turned out really pretty. So these images are inside here. I stamped out Lavender Dreams, and that is from the stamp set from the box of the month. So really pretty. There's some scripty words in the background in cursive, and then you get the lavender bunches. You get some gray polka dots, some glitter, and a really pretty purple. Some stripes on this background. And then these really cute lavender pots that say flower and garden. Love this ombre. So pretty. Really pretty colors in here. Here are your cut apart images. So for this card here, what I did was I took this image and this image, took an X-Acto knife along the edge here, made a slit, and then tucked in this image to make one large image, and that fit really perfect on this oval. And then you get your smaller ones, so really nice patterns and colors in here. Such a really pretty paper pad. So you get 4 of each design. And then let's take a look at this Be My Honey Bee. So pretty. Love the colors. And there's these cute muffins in here. So they're like honey chocolate chip muffins. There's your beehive pattern. And then some really cute images with like honey pots and muffins and bees and flowers. And beautiful green color and this like yellowish, goldish color. This is really, really pretty. Really love the colors in this paper pad. And I'll share the cards that I did using this. Nice ombre sheet there. Really pretty. So 4 of each design. And then we'll take a look at this ephemera, but let's take a look at the cards really quickly. So here's that lavender one. Super, super pretty. We've got this one here. I've used the Easy Wonder die number 1 to create these 3 cards. So this one is the inside piece that cuts out the circle and the square. And then these flags also get cut out. And then I just layered a few different sheets of paper and then used the happy word that's in this ephemera pack along with the cupcake and 3 enamel dots. Same with this one, the circle, and this piece here is from the Easy Wonder die number 1. I just layered that on top of another sheet of pattern paper, and then this for my background, and then popped up this really cute piece of ephemera from this paper, from this ephemera pack here that says "Be kind always." And then for this 3rd card, same thing. There's that square with the circle, and then I just did the circle in white. And then these 2 pieces on the side are also from the Easy Wonder die. And then for the middle piece here, I just cut out a piece of the pattern paper to fit inside there. I really like how this one came out. Put 4 little pearls on the ends and then added the stickles. This is the Stardust stickles. I carry this one in the shop. This one's my favorite. Love the glitter. So I just enhanced the glitter on the ephemera. Some of the ephemera has some glitter on there, like the artist had drawn in some glitter. So I just enhanced it with some real glitter and it makes it look really pretty. So let's take a look at that ephemera and then we can create another card with the Lavender Dreams. I do have some more images that I cut out. So I'm gonna just play some music while I put these all laid out for you. Okay, so there's all the beautiful ephemera pieces. So what we're gonna do with this card, I cut some panels out. I'm gonna stamp on this sheet of paper one of the bees and a sentiment. And I'm gonna curve my sentiment. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm gonna have this jug here of lavender. I'm going to use the sentiment just because, and we're going to have one of these little bees just buzzing around. I'm going to do this one, and then on the other side we're going to curve the sentiment, and I'm just running my finger across it to kind of help prep the stamp. Get some of those manufacturing oils off of there. And then let's see where I could curve my sentiment. Might want to do it on this side. Let's see. I'm trying to get this. Let's do it like this. So this is a really big curve. So what I like to do is just lay it down where I want it, pick it up, and then start manipulating this. So curving it like this on each side until I am happy with it. So I want to bring this middle up a little bit. We are getting there. Bring this one down a little bit. Bring this one down. Okay, that is looking pretty good. I think I want to bring this side down just a little bit. Okay, I like that. So let's go ahead and stamp that out. I'm using the VersaFine Clara Nocturne. That's my favorite for sentiments. Okay, that looks great. All right, let's see which one of these I want to use. All right, let's do that. So let's have the little bee down there. And since I'm coloring with the alcohol markers, I'm going to stamp the bee in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to color the wings a purple color that matches the paper. And then I'll add some yellow. And you can color the top part yellow or black. I think usually when they color a bee a cartoon way, they color it yellow. I think more realistic would be black. I'm just going to do it black because my papers don't really have any yellow, so I don't really want that to be a dominant color. So I'll just do that in black. Really simple coloring there. And then let's put the card base together. So I hope you'll join us tomorrow for a release day. We'll do a release day live party, so come join me. Whatever I make, I usually give away, so we'll do a little giveaway, and we'll play with some of the new products. And this I'm going to do right in the center, off to the side. And then the circle is going to be in the center. And then our image will be right there. Let's see, I think I'm going to pop that up with some foam tape. I'm going to add a peel off strip to this side. I'm going to take this one. This is from the images in the paper pad. I'm going to use this to kind of ground my image here at the bottom. Just going to put that right there at the edge of the circle. And then I can just layer this one. All right, so I'm going to position this so our little bee is not covered up. All right, so there we go. And now I'm going to add some enamel dots. From the Cherry Blossom Spring Cottage Enamel Dot collection, I'm going to use this bluish color. Okay, so I'll use 3 of those. And then I think I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle to the bee's wings with the stickles. And that will complete today's card. So join us again tomorrow for our release day. Can't wait to see you there, and I can't wait to see what you make with the May products. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Here are some lovely cards from our May guest designer, Amy Wares. She made beautiful cards using the Paper Pad Club of the month for May and the Stamp and Die of the month.